Welcome to the R programming course. This course provides a comprehensive introduction to R, a powerful language for statistical computing and graphics. We'll begin with Introduction to R, covering its capabilities and applications. Next, installing R and RStudio will guide you through setting up your environment. In RStudio Interface Overview, you'll become familiar with RStudio's layout and features. Basic R syntax teaches you to write your first code, and variables and data types shows how to store data in R. Basic arithmetic operations covers simple math, while vectors in R explains data storage with vectors. Basic data structures introduces lists, matrices, and data frames. Creating and naming objects covers naming conventions. Reading data into R teaches data import, followed by basic data manipulation for handling data. Basic plotting in R covers simple graphs. Subsetting data shows how to extract data subsets. Basic functions in R explains built-in functions, and writing your own functions covers custom functions. Basic control structures includes if statements and loops, while basic string manipulation handles text data. Introduction to R help shows how to use R documentation, and working with packages covers installing and using packages. Data frames revisits creating and using data frames. Factor data type handles categorical data. Basic descriptive statistics covers summary statistics. Logical operations in R focuses on true, false, and conditions. Basic date and time handling teaches date operations. Finally, saving and exporting data covers exporting data to files. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation in R programming for data analysis and visualization. Let's get started.
Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights.